Hey guys, myself Niladri Majumder, a first year professional MBBS student at Rampur Government Medical College and Hospital. So by now we have understood that NTA loves frustrating us. So it's at first it has delayed the result and now it is delaying the counseling procedure, and then it will delay the admission procedure, and so on it goes on. So and above that, they have given a surprise to the first year medical student. They have released the timetable for the final exam of the first year students. So yeah, it's just 2 months after now. Basically, NTA has made us pressure cookers right now. In between all this, I have found some time to discuss the counseling procedure with you all. So yeah, please listen to this video, and I want genuine subscribers, guys. I can see that my viewers are growing, but they are not subscribed to my channel. Around 90% of my viewers are not subscribed. Please subscribe, yaar. I am regularly uploading the videos. Then why not just subscribe? It's like valuable material, definitely. So let's come to the topic. So firstly, counseling is a zigzag procedure. Okay, first it will be first round of all India quota, first round of state quota, second round of all India quota, second round of state quota, mop-up round of all India quota, and mop-up round of state quota. So basically it's a zigzag method, and every round will start only after the previous round ends. Now let's see what happens, like what are the requirements to be followed and what are the mistakes which children usually do during counseling. This is the main motto of making this video for today. So let's see what are the points. So now the first round of all India quota, it will simply be committed as registration. In the first step, you will be getting the registration form in either nta.nic.in or NMC counseling or MCC counseling, or anywhere they will provide it from the official sites. And you have to give the payment, some of the document verifications, and finally you have to submit the documents. For that you will be given approximately 5 to 10 days for completing the procedure, and within those 5 to 10 days you have to give your choice filling for all the colleges of India, including the government as well as the private colleges. Okay, how do you have to fill your choices? You can do it either by a counselor or by watching YouTube videos where lots of people will sort out the colleges for you. And if you want to sort out the colleges by yourself, so get aware of the fact that distance is a great factor. Linguistic barriers are sometimes problematic. Cultural variations are sometimes problematic. And other than that, you can choose any of the colleges which you like. And if you ask how can you choose so many colleges all across India, then I would suggest that for the higher scoring students, first give the topmost colleges like AIMS, Chipmar, AFMC, then BHU, then Maulana Azad, Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College, such and such. And after that, give the best colleges of your state, and then find out the colleges of the states surrounding your state. Okay, like as I live in Kolkata, I had given choices of the best colleges in Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, some from Assam, Guwahati, and then I went to the other part of the country, like in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, or Gujarat, or Rajasthan, or in Maharashtra. Okay, and if you like some of the like tourism places, then you can definitely opt for Indira Gandhi Medical College Shimla or Panachi Medical College Goa. These are the best colleges in those states only, but you will be facing from distance issues from those places. And if you choose any of the colleges in Tamil Nadu or the southern parts like Pondicherry, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, then you will be facing linguistic barriers, and you have to invest lots of your time for learning the language, the regional language, because the patients and the teachers as well will talk to you in English and in that regional language only. Okay, keep that in mind. So you have to learn the regional language of that place. And for the other all India quota students who are seeing this video, if they want to come to Kolkata or West Bengal in general, then they have to learn Bengali definitely. If you like any of the colleges in West Bengal, like especially AIMS Kalyani and Calcutta Medical College, then definitely start learning Bengali from now on if you want to come over here. and linguistic barrier is definitely an issue, I would say that. And following the counseling, so after your choice filling is done, your merit list will come of all the students who have participated in the counseling procedure. And yeah, this will be the new merit list of the first round of all India quota, because many of the students will not be participating in all India quota. And after that your final allotment letter will come. And so there will be two criteria only in this case. One is the student will get a college, and the other will, that is the student will not get a college. For the student who do not get the college, is free for the upcoming rounds, for every round, okay, for the state quota round 1, state quota round 2, all India quota round 2, and the further mop up rounds. But for the student who has got the college in round 1, he has an option. Either he will be like going and taking the admission in that specific college, or he will leave that college and further wait for the further rounds. There is no issue in this case, because first round is always optional in both all India quota and state quota. And after the all India quota ends, the 85% seat, the state quota will start with its 85% seat, and the procedure will be same as all India quota. For West Bengal, it will be WBMCC which will be handling this counseling procedure. For PWD students, there will be a day before the state counseling when they have to go to RPHGMC Kolkata, and they have to take their PWD certificate, like, which is definitely necessary for their admission in colleges through PWD quota. Okay, you have to register for state quota round 1, document verification, then payment procedure, and then the choice filling of the colleges. And in these choice filling procedures, the deemed universities and the government colleges are registered separately, and the counseling fees is different for deemed and government colleges. So the same procedure commences in state quota as well. The merit list of state quota will come, and the allotment letter will be given. So taking the hard copy of the allotment letter with you, you have to reach the college and take the admission. And in this case, the most common issue which students face is with the residential certificate, because West Bengal has lots of reservation under state quota, and its residential certificate is the most problematic one. So please go and have a residential certificate from a proper place, and please consecutively and simultaneously check your residential certificate and verify your certificate from online resources or from some of the government centers. Okay, and the other issues which comes over here are the failure of verification of certificate from the student, like insufficient marks of class 10th and 12th, or like rejection of some of the caste certificates like OBC A, B, or SC certificate. For OBC students, let me remind you that your certificate has to be updated, and another certificate is required in West Bengal as well as other states, that is the bond letter. Okay, so bond letter, how to collect it? We have to simply go to the jury or or the court, and simply ask a person of the court to give a bond paper of 50 rupees or whatever the college needs. In West Bengal, all the colleges will be asking for 50 rupee bond paper. Some of the colleges will also mention the category of the bond paper which you have to use. You have to go to the jury, and you have to go to the court and get it typed by a typer about the college and the bond which you have to sign. Okay, so this is all about the documents, special documents required, which I am saying previously only. So let's come to all India quota round 2. In all India quota round 2, you don't have to register again, it is same, but you have to fill your choices once more of all the colleges prevailing in the country. And definitely let me remind you that all India quota round 2 choice filling is really risky, because once you choose a college and get admission letter, allotment letter from that college, you have to take admission in that college, or else you will be eliminated from the counseling procedure. So be alerted about that. And other than that, all the procedures are same. And after the all India quota round 2 ends, the round 2 of state quota starts, and this time the remaining seats which are not allotted to the students are returned back to the state. And so here the chances increases for the students to get colleges with lower marks. So again, there is no requirement of registration in state quota because you had already registered in the previous round. If you have not done in the previous round, in round 1 of state quota, then you have to register like freshly in round 2. And this time I can guarantee you that you will be getting, for the average student, you will be getting better college in state quota round 2, because the cutoff of round 2 really decreases a lot from round 1. Every year it happens. So don't get demotivated after round 1. Wait for the round 2. Everything will be good. So, and same here goes, that if you get a college and do not go to that college for admission procedure and upgradation for mop-up rounds, you will be eliminated from state quota counseling. What does it mean? The all India quota counseling and state quota counseling are two separate entities, okay? So in all India quota, I have said the same, that if you get a college and do not take admission in it, you will be eliminated from all India quota. This has gone fine. And same goes for state quota. If you get the college and do not get admission in it, wishing that you will be getting a better college in mop-up round, then again here you will be eliminated from the whole counseling procedure. What do you have to do to get upgradation in the mop-up round? You have to go to the college, take admission, and fill up the form where you will be agreeing to the agreement that you will be leaving this college if you get a better college in mop-up round. So be careful, choose your colleges wisely, and once you are allotted in the second round in any of the colleges, you have to take that college, and further rounds will be based on your agreement, whether you have signed the agreement to upgrade for the mop-up round or not. Okay, this is the normal procedure, this is the normal thing which we have to be alerted of. So let's now come to the mop-up round. What happens in the mop-up round? So first, here everything that has been done till now is being refreshed and updated, and a new vacancy letter comes where the colleges having vacancies for the mop-up round are given, both in all India as well as state quota counseling. So here the students have to again register freshly in the mop-up round. Then the mop-up round will be releasing a merit list for the students, and then the students will be allotted in the colleges if they get the college. This is same as the previous rounds in all India quota. But in state quota, there is some difference, that in mop-up round of state quota, yeah, definitely you have to do the same as all India quota. You have to newly register, and new vacancies will be declared, and then your allotment will be given. But in state quota, last year it happened that the state quota mop-up round went through auctioning. They were called, everyone was called in a specific building, those who had agreed for the mop-up round, and they were auctioned based on their merit status. And slowly, as you go on in this counseling procedure, you will slowly understand what is this. And the final seats, which are very rare, are left within the college. Those seats are called stray round seats. The vacancies are not released over there. But if the student lives near the college, or if he or she has an internal source within that college, knowing that the college still has some vacancies in it, then the student can definitely go to that college and take admission in that college. It's also a matter of luck for the student, and sometimes it gets very tiresome to go and search every college in every part of the state. So yeah, it happens like this only. Now let's talk about how to choose your college, or how to prioritize your college how to prioritize one college over the other. The first point will be your distance, then is your linguistic barrier, then is your cultural relevance. Like uh, like students from West Bengal, after going to colleges of All India quota in other state, always miss the Durga Pujas which occur in West Bengal. And Durga Puja is the greatest ceremony for Bengalis. And for the students of All India quota, they usually have their midterm exams, so they usually are unable to come to their hometown and enjoy the ceremonies. So yeah, like choose your colleges wisely.